Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we are going to be making a broccoli cheddar soup, but I'm going to sneak in some potatoes just because I know that that's what Gabe likes, and I just like that little bit of different veggie in there, if you will. I don't know. So I'm going to make it a broccoli potato cheddar soup, and it's really easy. It's delicious. So let's get started.
Someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think you said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel